Hey, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Season Johnson Thrive Through Cancer YouTube channel. Who am I? Why are you here? My name's Season Johnson. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner. I'm also the founder of the Kick Cancer Movement, and I'm a presidential diamond with doTERRA essential oils. I love to educate and empower you on how to live your healthiest life. We look at life from a holistic perspective, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And I teach you about nutrition, about detoxification, about how to use essential oils on a daily basis, how to up your self-care game, really how to thrive in your family, including your marriage and as a parent. We also talk about cleaning up your environment, physically and emotionally. We talk a little bit about Jesus, and in general, my goal is that you leave this space feeling educated and empowered, and you realize that you can take away easy to implement tips and tricks on how to live the healthiest life possible. We talk a lot about cancer because we walked our son through 3.5 years of daily chemotherapy. If you have cancer or you have a loved one who has cancer, I want you to pay attention to the videos that we share because we talk about how we helped him thrive through 3.5 years of chemotherapy every single day in his little body. He had countless surgeries, and you guys, he didn't experience any side effects from conventional treatment because we truly believe that what we implemented, the nutrition, the detoxification, the essential oils, the self-care, cleaning up his environment, had a massive, massive impact on his health and ultimately changed the trajectory of his future. He's now cancer-free, living and thriving, and I pray that you can walk away and learn some of the things that we've done with him to help you thrive as well. For more information, click the About button so you can learn more about what we offer, how we can help you, how we can work with you. And in the meantime, hang out a while, watch some videos, share your comments and your questions. We love to interact with you. Have an amazing week, and we'll see you around.